Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be watching a noodle recipe that is very simple and easy. And I put lots of vegetable, all of these to make it even more nutritious. Let's start. I have taken non-fried curly noodles. Any noodles will be fine. I took 3 of them and boiled it, wash in cold water and keep aside. For the vegetable, I took 1 medium-sized onion, 2 cups of napa cabbage, 2 medium-sized carrot, 150 grams of baby corn, 100 grams or 1 packet of snow peas, and few pieces of shiitake mushroom, optional, and 4 cloves of garlic minced. Now I am putting 4 tablespoons of white oil and sauteing the garlic first to give the flavor to the oil. After a few minutes I am adding the onion first, and then one by one all the vegetable will go as per their cooking requirement. Like the baby corn will go first, baby corn and the carrot, because carrot is quite hard. So that way you can give and fry until it is done and keep on adding, and the napa cabbage will go last because you need that one little crunchy. In this recipe I avoid using soy sauce, light or dark, any kind of, because I want to make it little different this time. It came out little very light and simple, as I am adding here a little bit of salt because soy sauce is not there, so you need to add salt. Shiitake mushroom is optional, but it will give the dish a very nice umami flavor and a texture from the mushroom. So it's a nice addition to your diet if you have access to the mushroom. It is very beneficial for your health, so do add it. You can get it as dry also, so do try if you can get from your local grocery store. So all my vegetable has been sauteed nicely. I will take them out into a bowl before I add the egg. I add 2 teaspoons of oil to fry 6 eggs. My dish came out very less oily and light. If you are someone who loves a little oily and spicy food, please add more oil. And I add Cajun spices later in the frying process. So I add only 1 teaspoon of Cajun spice. If you want, add 2. It will give you even more flavor and taste. And now we will start frying the egg. I just make a scrambled egg. I wanted the egg to be fluffy and soft. I wanted the egg, you can feel the texture of the egg when you eat the noodle. So the technique of cooking the egg will give you different result. I already added salt when I was mixing the egg in the bowl. Now adding some black pepper, and I will add a small teaspoon or half a teaspoon of red chili flakes as per your taste. Now it is time to add all the vegetable in the egg mixture and stir a bit, mix it up, and then take your noodles that is already boiled, and you can see it's become little sticky after you keep it aside. Then now I wash it off again with cold water and it become very separated. It is not clinging anymore to one another. That is how we want it, and mix it thoroughly. 2 spatula is easier for me. Now I am adding one small teaspoon of cajun spice and few drops of sesame oil. It will just for the again for the flavor. Mix it thoroughly, fry it for a while, and then your dish is ready to serve. This is after mixing for few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes I will say, and now I am plating my noodles. It is a very tasty and nutritious dish to eat for dinner or evening snack. So after a good swimming session in the evening, it is a nice a warm plate of noodle bowl for dinner. Kids will be happy to eat that. For the adult, serve this with some cut chili in little soy sauce. That will be enough for satisfying your spicy cravings. I hope you will try this recipe. Thanks for your time. Bye.